Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the latest 2025 method to remove your YouTube profile picture directly from the YouTube dashboard. Yes, you heard that right. Earlier we had to go through Google account settings, but YouTube has now updated the dashboard and added a new option to remove your profile photo more easily. So if you want to remove your picture and switch back to the default YouTube avatar, stay with me until the end because I will explain the steps clearly and also share some bonus tips for creators. First, open YouTube on your computer or mobile browser and log into your account. Now go to YouTube Studio, also known as the YouTube dashboard. On desktop, you can click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. On mobile, you can either use the YouTube Studio app or open studio.youtube.com in your browser. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, look at the left hand menu. Here you will see several options like contents, analytics, comments, monetization and so on. Click on customization. This is where you can edit your channel layout, branding and basic info. Now go to the branding tab. This is the section where your profile picture, banner image and watermark are managed. In the branding tab at the right top, you will see your profile picture section. Earlier we only had the change option, but now YouTube has added remove as well. Click on remove. A confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove your profile photo. Go ahead and confirm. That's it. Your YouTube profile photo is now removed and your channel will show the default letter logo instead. Now before you go, here are a few important things you should know. Only affects YouTube. Unlike the old method, this new option affects only your YouTube channel. Your Google account photo will remain the same. Instant update. Once you remove the photo, it might take a few minutes to reflect everywhere, but usually it updates instantly. Add back anytime. If you change your mind, you can come back to the branding tab and upload a new profile picture anytime. Professional look. If you are a creator, I still recommend using a clean profile picture or a logo for a better branding. Removing it is fine if you want privacy, but a professional photo always help. If you are managing your channel branding, here are some quick bonus tips. Use the banner space to highlight your upload schedule. Add a watermark to protect your videos. Always keep your branding consistent across YouTube and social media platforms. These small changes can help your channel grow faster and look more professional. And that's the updated 2025 method to remove your YouTube profile picture directly from the YouTube dashboard. If this tutorial was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments box. I love helping you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.